Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Samsung Health, but it might not properly function in my phone since it is iOS. Just download it from your Google Play, or in some Samsung phones it is pre-installed. Just open your app and now you have to read this and be on these things and tap on next button and then on sign in. And now what you need to do is enter your email address and then tap on next button, and now it will take you to login page. Just tap on create account button to sign in, and you need to read all of these and you have to tick all of these. And now you have to enter your email address, create a new password and enter your first and last name, and you have to enter your date of birth. Tap on next button, and now they will send you a Gmail. Just go and check it out, and this is our OTP code. Just enter that verification code over here and tap on next button. Tap on done button and you are good to go. That is how you can sign up into your Samsung Health account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.